What's going on, everyone? I'm Michael Ked from Trackstack, and we are actively speaking to our biggest users, the DJs, the labels, and we wanted to know what puts them off when they're listening to the music that gets submitted to them. First thing that they all mentioned was the waveform size. These DJs, these labels are receiving bucket loads of records, so many submissions a week. They are going to be looking at things in a bit of a snapshot way. This is a test that I've sent to myself. The waveform here, it doesn't look full. It doesn't look as chunky as it should be. When these DJs and these labels are receiving this music that looks like this, that is something that does deter them away from the record already. The thing we always recommend is when you're sending out your records to these DJs and to these labels is that a proper master needs to be applied to the record. Now, the second thing that our biggest users all mentioned is the track title and the name. This right here, as we hover over it, says Michael Ked Misbehaving, brackets, final mix 1.57, and another set of brackets, last master 1.2. There is a level of professionalism you need to apply. This is your final product that you're submitting to the DJs and the labels that you're wanting to submit your music to. So if you're not taking that extra couple seconds to relabel or rename your track in a proper format, then you're not setting yourself up for success. Third thing, on your profile, make sure your profile on your Trackstack is filled out in full. When you're submitting your music to DJs and to labels, they want to know about the person that is submitting that music. They will go and listen to the song. Once done, they will go to your profile. Your profile needs to look like mine, essentially. Have links, Instagram to your Spotify, song stats if applicable. Put your bio here. They can read about you. Make sure that your preferences and your open for, most engaged with, make sure all of this is listed in your Trackstack, because this helps the listener get the best snapshot of who that person is. This is a very, very important thing. Make sure your profile is all filled out. Another thing that they all mentioned, they want to receive music that isn't following trends. The labels very much mentioned this, that they notice when trends are current, the music is being sent in bulk that is just trends, and there's no sonic identity to the music. Even if we listen to this record here, I purposely wanted to make this one very, very different to the common or what's currently on trend right now. We'll listen to it here. Completely different to what one may consider a current trend. The last thing that they all mentioned, and this is a very, very important part in my opinion, is you want to make your submissions personal and the right fit per the DJ or per the label. I wouldn't be sending that tech house song to a Afro house DJ because that is not the right fit. Make sure your submissions are targeted correctly and make sure making it personable. People can notice if it's very robotic when you've sent out your submissions. That will really, really help. And there's one thing to take away from what these DJs and labels have all said to us. Take those extra couple of seconds to polish up the presentation of your records before sending them. And a lot of the time this isn't getting done and the records are not getting listened to. So take those extra couple of seconds. If you'd like to learn more about Flow Inbox, make sure you head to our official website. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. I'll see you at the next tutorial. Peace.